Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, this 2023, we are expecting Shibadoge to actually increase. In fact, we are expecting the developers of Shibadoge, if Shibadoge will definitely increase, if Shibadoge is going to last for many more years, this 2023 is going to confirm that. That is why the founders need a lot of work to be done, and they need to really buckle up, because one thing you need to understand is that Shibadoge actually did well last year. But last year, when Ethereum Wells actually got interest on Shibadoge and invested over $7 million, so many people started having interest on Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge have gotten some kind of community, Shibadoge have got a lot of support, but I think with the number of zeros they have a long way to go. With the number of supply they still have a long way to go. But Shibadoge deleting 2 to 3 zeros this year 2023 is possible. Now, this is how it's going to be. I believe Shibadoge developers need to focus on burning of Shibadoge. That's number one. Number two, they need to focus on getting this coin to be listed. Although, according to our roadmap stage 3, remember they promised us that Get.io, X.com, and L-Bank will be listing in Shibadoge. These are top crypto exchanges, and I believe they can push the price of Shibadoge. Remember, they have a lot of community. Crypto.com have over 10 to 12 million global customers, and you talk about Get.io, you talk about L-Bank, you talk about Hotbit. If they can really get Shibadoge listed by this fall, believe it, Shibadoge deleting 3 zeros is going to be possible, even deleting 1 zeros. But for me, I think crypto industry is not where you do or die. You want to make millions. That is not the strategy for me. I believe if I can invest in a particular coin and then you're making over 100, 200, 300% or 500% of whatever investment you invested, that is still good. That's a good ROI, return on investment. But Shibadoge definitely we believe is the new Shiba Inu that can hit over millions of percent. Well, with 16 zeros, imagine deleting 3 to 5 zeros. Imagine Shibadoge start trading with about 11 zeros or 10 zeros. That simply means a lot of Shibadoge holders will become millionaires with Shibadoge. Shibadoge is going to create millionaires just like Shiba Inu. Let's keep hoping to see Shibadoge pump. Let's keep hoping to see Shibadoge get a lot of support from crypto exchanges and from community. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.